very proud of them because even though we were coming from a loss and we are fatigued already from that game, we came to push through to this game and locked in the second rank. So, very happy. Hopefully, dire-diretso na to hanggang dulo po.
Thank you, Bansh. You have 13 attacks, 10 digs, and 6 receptions. So, although yung nga, 2 sets down kayo, tapos yung nga, mabigat yung talo nyo last time, and then you were able to pull this off. So, ano masasabi mo na, do you think lumabas ba yung championship experience ninyo against UST?
Siguro nung first set and second set, medyo nag-slow down talaga kami and yun, hindi kami magka-connect. So, nung third set, syempre, hindi rin namin pwedeng pakawalan yung advantage na hindi kami magra-rank 3 kasi mag-playoffs pa. So, ayun, minandset lang talaga namin na ipanalo namin to. Kasi, patibayan na lang talaga hindi na siya like skills-wise. So, sobrang happy ako kasi nakuha namin yung win na to and pinaghirapan din po namin to.
Thanks. That's to Ara. 21 of 43 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, and 6 digs. So yun nga, you wanted to redeem yourself from yung nangyari last game and you made this up with a victory. Your thoughts?
For me naman po, siguro sa game, yung thoughts ko lang po is makabawi kami sa pagkatalo namin last game. Kasi yun yung pinanghuhugutan talaga namin yung game na yun. And siguro masaya lang din po kami kasi yun nga po makikita naman po yung team effort namin and teamwork po.
Thank you so much. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, after that loss na to the last Sunday, gano'n ka lang ka-proud na, maikli nga rin turnaround from that game to this game against UC, pero gano'n ka lang ka-proud na nag-respond naman agad yung players mo to the challenge?
Syempre, I'm very proud because not just for this game but from the last game. Even though we lost, we gave our all, and from then on, I knew na this girls will be playing their best all the time na. Kasi nakita na natin na kung ano yung kaya namin, and it just proved na we can still fight up to the end. Yun po.
So, after that game na sabi mo agad after that game napabawi ka, and ngayon yung na nakabawi ka reverse against USD, gano'n ka lang ka-proud, and ano yung mga pinagdaanan mo before this game na yung nakatulong para manalo kayo against USD?
Siguro hindi naman po maiiwasan na mabablame ko yung sarili ko noon kasi it's my fault naman po talaga. So, this game, siguro binigay ko na lang yung best ko talaga na makabawi for the team na makuha namin yung slot 2 na yon para hindi na din kami mahirapan tas makapagpahinga din po kami.
Vansh, as captain lang, yung experiences like yung nangyari nga sa dulo ng Lasal game, then itong type na UST game, gano'n lang yun siguro kahalaga to build your character as a captain and as a leader din ng team na to after the season that you've been through so far?
Syempre for me, sobrang halaga din talaga kasi sa akin din kasi yun magsisimula eh. So ayun, kailangan ko lang din talaga mag-compose sa sarili kasi alam ko na yung teammates ko kapag gano'n na yung ka-crucial is sumusunod talaga sila sa akin. So ayun, so nakita din naman kung ano yung naging result. So sana magtuloy-tuloy lang and sana hindi na kami mag-upset. Tarot.
And for Coach Reg, yung wins po siguro this season were siguro relatively harder talagang pinaghirapan ng team din in recent years. Pero even though that's the case po, ano siguro yung na-discover or yung natutunan nyo din about this group in particular in terms of really withstanding and even overcoming yung very tight challenges even though mas marami na pong younger pieces din sa team?
This just made me learn that these girls are still starting from something and developing every day and getting better every day. Yun yung na-learn ko na itong mga batang to nag-learn pa lang sila, hindi sila made na, hindi sila nakaka-experience. So lahat ng mga experiences nila nakikita mo agad na sobrang bilis silang mag-improve every game. I know it's difficult for everyone. Ang dami naming mga challenges, ang dami naming obstacles, and I know also that these girls are so much stronger from the first game dito sa UAAP, and nakaka-proud lang din na makita sila na parang nag-mature sila agad in a span of a little few months, and they're still fighting para ma-defend yung championship, not just for themselves but also for the community and for their ates who graduated. Kaya nakaka-proud po talaga sila.
Yung mga ganung time, yung sa Lasal na loss, nung binigay nyo lahat nyo talagang bits of the game sa dulo, yung mga ganung klase loss, bang mas nakakatulong sa inyo, mas mag-mature, and mas ma-develop yung leadership nyo para ma-lead yung team?
Siguro po, alam naman po namin sa mga sarili namin na kaya po sana yung game na yon. Kaso, kinapos na po talaga kami sa, yung panapos namin, yung kinulang. Tapos sa, ano na lang po, yung kung paano kami maglaro as a team.
Coach, looking ahead na to that step ladder na mag-a-take kayo sino man dahil sa 3 versus 4, paano mo lang i-keep yung momentum ng players kasi from that tight loss against Lasal up to ito, reverse sweep against UST, paano mo lang i-keep yung momentum ng team?
Syempre, we just have to practice. We have to prepare, not just physically but mentally, and also syempre we have to recover because we are still tired, and hopefully pantay-pantay lahat ng condition by that time, and magawa namin yung best namin kasi nandun pa rin kami sa advantage na number 2 pa rin kami, so we still have time to perfect what we still need to perfect, and we ayusin yung mga mistakes namin, and hopefully we makuha namin yung mga wins pa in the future.
Coach Reg, how happy are you na? Kasi kung halimbawang hindi kayo pinala na makalusot sa UST, maglalaro kayo ng Saturday, Wednesdays na stretch hanggang sa maabot kayo ng finals. Ano yung masasabi mo na yun nga, nakahinga kayo ng maluwag right now, or yun?
Actually, we knew it was going to be very difficult for us if we lose this game. So talagang there's something at stake, but I still can't be that hard dito sa mga batang to because I know they're tired, and I know they're not just physically tired because they also have to study kasi midterms din nila. So I can't be too hard on them, but then we just need to remind them also na kailangan naming lumaban every game. Wala na kaming option but to do this and to go through this.
And lastly, to Bansh, being the leader of the team, ano yung mga reminders mo right now, lalo na yung nga medyo dadaas nga kayo ng butas ng karayom para makabalik kayo sa final?
Kami naman, lagi lang kaming optimistic talaga. Kasi syempre, alam namin na mabibigat na din talaga yung kalaban namin. So kami, balik lang talaga kami sa disiplina, and kung gaano rin namin kagusto, magsisimula din yun sa ensayo.
Thank you very much.